Hey guys, Mike Spaniol here, Director of Solar Operations at Energy Advantage. What I do is manage the crews, make sure everybody's rolling every morning to the job sites, getting their work done, making sure they have the product they need, and general overall customer satisfaction. So meeting with homeowners, making sure their experience is going well, and following up at the end to make sure they had an awesome solar install at their house. I've been with Energy Advantage for about 2.5 years now. I love working for this company because it gives me so much opportunity to grow. We're a growing company. We've seen massive growth over the last couple of years, and I love being a part of that. The role is constantly changing as my skills develop, and I see that in my coworkers as well. As they're developing these skills in the solar industry, it's creating more opportunity for them to grow in their careers. So I've worked as a director of operations before, and in that career, I found once we got things up and running, I was feeling a little bit stagnant. I wasn't growing in my profession. And here at Energy Advantage, this industry is growing constantly. The technology is changing. We have to stay on top of it. We're seeing interesting things happening in the world economy and the US economy, which is changing the way that we're running our business. And we're also seeing just an increased interest in renewable energy, in energy storage systems to become more efficient, to reduce homeowners' electricity bills. So I'm definitely seeing a lot more interest in this role at Energy Advantage than I did in my previous profession. I'm passionate about this work because I really do feel that renewable energy is the future. I feel that as a society, as a species, we need to develop these technologies and we need to implement these technologies if we're going to survive. It's important to us, not just from a financial standpoint, but to our existence as a society, to reduce carbon emissions, to treat the planet better, and to find ways that we can grow as humans in a rapidly developing technological era. I believe in the products and the services that we offer here at Energy Advantage because we're a company dedicated to seeing it through every step of the process and not cutting corners. When our projects are complete, they're beautiful, they're robust, they're put together. We're not looking for quick steps to get things done and shortcuts to get things done quickly. We're really looking to build a robust system that's going to withstand the test of time. And one of my favorite things about the products that we offer is we're not just a solar company, we're also a roofing company. That solar is getting attached to your roof. It's extremely important that the integrity of your roof is preserved. So oftentimes we're able to offer services that other solar companies are not, such as roof restoration and repair. We're able to install solar on uncommon roof types like stone-coated steel, where it's a little bit more difficult and other companies won't touch it. It really gives us a leg up and provides a better experience for our clients. If you're coming to work at Energy Advantage, you can expect a fast-paced environment. You can expect to be working on a team that's working towards a common goal, and everybody's there to teach each other so that the whole group is lifted up and learning. There's a lot of camaraderie, there's a lot to learn, there's massive growth for each and every one of us, and we're all taking our time to make sure that everyone is getting on the same level as we're building out these projects and changing the world.